Raise your hand if you get a little cold being outside during the holidays. This final installment of the 12 Days of Holiday Sewing will help you battle that chill. And bonus, it's a fast scrap busting project.
The materials you'll need are some scraps of fabric, coordinating thread, uncooked rice, and pinking shears, which are optional. Cut 2 same size scraps. I like 4-inch squares personally. With the right sides together, clip 3 sides. Sew 3 sides with a 1/4 inch seam allowance and backstitching at the start and end. Pro tip, check your bobbins, even on scrap projects. I want to take this time to make sure to tell you to use 100% cotton fabric and thread on this project. Cotton can be heated in the microwave while blends and synthetics may catch fire. Please do not burn your house down over these. At the open end, pour in the uncooked rice. A 4-inch square takes about 1/3 cup to fill. Leave about 1 inch or a first knuckle length between the rice and the edge. Pushing the rice down, pin the opening in place. Sew closed with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, making sure there is no rice in the way of the needle. Trim the edges with pinking shears. This step is optional, but it does help with fraying.
Whether you're out singing carols to your neighbors or just hanging out with the kiddos in the snow, these are perfect to have on hand. Pun totally intended. Thank you for joining me for the 12 Days of Holiday Sewing. I would love it if you'd stop by the community board and just tell me about your holiday traditions, or tag me in some of your project photos. I'd love to see what you make. Let's keep the ball rolling with some more fun projects. Just pop on over here for some more sewing inspiration. Happy holidays, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.
If you enjoyed the 12 Days of Holiday Sewing, be sure to sign up for my newsletter. There's a link down in the video description, so sign up and we'll talk to you later and you'll never miss another tutorial.